The Korn team sells Greater Kansas City and sells an average of one home every 3 days, getting their clients an average of 98%. Brad Korn has sold over 2,500 properties in the past 24 years. 2-story, 5+ bedrooms rooms. Approximately 4,000 square feet. 3-car garage. Finished lower level. Formal dining. Office on main floor with French doors. Open living, breakfast, kitchen floor plan. Huge wide driveway, perfect to fit 8 cars comfortably plus 3-car garage. Huge tiled porch you won't find anywhere else. Master suite is the entire width of the house with extremely oversized bedroom, double doors to workout room or another office, sitting room, nursery. Large master bath with oversized walk-in closet. Huge level fenced backyard. Walk-in pantry. Main floor laundry room off kitchen and garage. Lots of windows. Private bath in BR2 and Jack-n-Jill bath between BR3 and 4 and each has own sink. Walk-in closets in bdrms.